Battery health. Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Today we will talk about a pain point for most people in this day and age. The battery charge is the one aspect of smartphones that users tend to worry so much about. Although apps drain the battery, we think of different ways to reduce energy consumption and increase its battery life. As soon as the device is turned on. Although we are not always successful, we try taking a variety of steps to extend the battery of the smartphone as much as possible. The top 10 apps that drain your battery. There are countless applications for your Android device in the Google Play Store. There are services for everything, but on the whole, users tend to download the same popular apps. However, in order to best care for the battery in your smartphone, there are some of them that you should avoid downloading or using less often. Be cautious. While some of these applications are quite helpful and should be installed on our smartphones, others can be disastrous for those who already experience battery issues. The list of apps with the highest energy usage is as follows: Fitbit, Uber, Skype, Facebook, Airbnb, Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, Snapchat, WhatsApp. The organization that has compiled this data is the cloud research firm. To achieve this, they created a list of applications that use the battery of the device the most. And the end result is shown here. No matter how great these platforms are, according to the research firm, they are affecting the battery life really hard. The smartphone's most demanding applications. The research firm looked at 3 factors when determining which apps were the most resource-intensive on our phones. The things each app uses, such as the location or camera, whether the dark mode is on use. They were able to determine which of the 100 most popular apps is the most demanding and name them the ultimate phone killers by combining the results of these 3 factors. Fitbit and Verizon are the most apps that drain your battery. 14 of the 16 resources that are available can be in use by both apps in the background, including the 4 most resource-intensive ones, which are the camera, location, microphone, and Wi-Fi connection. Due to this, these apps received the highest study score, 92.31%. Social media apps. Social media apps account for 6 of the top 20 battery-intensive apps on your phone. On average, 11 additional resources, including photos, Wi-Fi, locations, and the microphone, can run in the background on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Each of these uses more energy to operate, which puts more strain on your phone's battery. Online dating apps. According to the research, online dating apps use the phone's battery just as quickly as your emotions do. 15% of the top killer apps are online dating apps like Tinder, Bumble. They permit an average of 11 resources to run in the background, and the lack of a dark mode makes all 3 dating apps more energy intensive to use, which accelerates battery drain. Travel apps. The United Airlines app uses up the most phone storage, 437.8 megabytes. Followed by the Lyft and Uber apps with storage requirements of 325.1 megabytes and 299.6 megabytes, respectively. All of these apps require a lot of storage, which slows down your phone and uses up storage. Fortunately, when you're not traveling, you can easily delete travel apps like United Airlines. When thinking about how to free up phone storage, these should be the first to go. Additionally, less extensive airlines like Ryanair and Jet2 only need 109.2 megabytes of storage and 47.3 megabytes, respectively. Both can be easily reinstalled. However, when it comes to having convenient transportation on a daily basis, apps like Lyft and Uber are more of a necessity. Make sure to only have one trustworthy transportation app, so you can save space for other apps and make your phone run faster rather than deleting both of them. And now, what you have been waiting for. How to stop apps from draining your battery. Many people might be pondering whether you ought to remove these apps from your smartphone in order to free up storage and battery life. It's important to emphasize that this caution does not need to be perfect, because you can opt to turn off background activity or location permissions. Despite not being open, every Android app functions in the background. Just like other services like Instagram and Facebook, WhatsApp does send you relevant notifications. It is possible to fix this issue. You should be aware that doing so will prevent you from receiving notifications until you re-enter the platform. As a result, we advise you to only use this procedure in special circumstances, and not with applications that are absolutely necessary. 1. Enter your Android smartphone settings. 2. Go to Battery in the menu. 3. Choose Optimize Battery Use under Advanced Settings from the menu. 4. Tap Don't Optimize after selecting the apps you want to disable background activity from. Thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.